Hi.
Okay. Ready, steady, start recording. Hello everybody. I'm Julia. And today I'm going to tell you
Quest.
clicky, 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 clicky. I will
Zoom.
apologize recording.
Nice.
I'm at Then how can I see it?
And let's share screen, whiteboard, and share. Wait.
Muni bus.
She's just looking like a person, like a doctor. I just said it like this. Clear all done. And okay. That's too funny.
Muni,
How do you add that option, Muni?
Absolutely, my magic trick.
he won't tell you his secret.
What did you say?
I said he
Farana, your voice
won't
is
tell his
breaking.
secret.
Just see it. It's very funny.
He won't tell you his secret.
Yeah, I know.
You got it also, right?
Yes. I'll do magic trick.
How do you do that?
Good, good, please.
Look now, what does it turn into?
Cool.
It will turn into something else.
Great. I have an idea.
It turned into scientist. Okay, now.
Get lost.
I know this thingy, this video, not you. Okay.
करा है ना. I can reclaim the host, you know. Even if I make it a host, I can take the
God,
host.
how we can do it?
Huh?
You made me host?
No. No, I didn't.
So-
I said that. If I would have made you the host, then.
I got how you add that filters.
How?
How?
If you go to the
Hey, I'm
background
not
option now, if you go to the change
Acha,
the
that
background of your
video
background, then there's
filter.
another option called video filters, but it will only work if you're
You
logged
have
in
to
somebody's
choose
account.
video filter.
Yeah, if it will only work if you're logged in somebody's account, but it will not work
In
if
virtual
you're
background.
not logged in, then it will not work.
Acha, choose video filter from there. Got it.
Yes.
And we'll have to download the package first.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Good
Hi,
morning, ma'am.
Sophia. Could you make me the host, please, Sophia?
I was saying that only, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going, everybody? Going good?
Host. Ma'am, host or co-host?
Co-host, anything is fine with me. I don't mind being a co-host also, yeah?
When my
So?
father's session is I become the co-host.
Okay, I don't mind being a co-host as well. Okay, where's the rest of the gang?
Okay, I'll make you the host. Wait.
No, that's okay. I'm all right. Co-host is fine. Yeah? Okay, so we'll wait for others. Till that time, we can start with our video. Yeah?
Now today also we are going to talk about the companies.
Yes, it's your business studies, but not companies. We're going to do today a bit on economics. Yeah, we'll do
Economic
that.
means
It's
money and
all
all.
related to, yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah.
Now you need to start your video. To buy a
Okay, so I see it's a full house. Everybody is in. Okay. And who's that? Salman Khan, Dabang out there. Yeah? Munib, Salman Khan, Dabang.
He's laughing, smiling, ma'am.
Is that Chulbul Pandey out there? Yeah, okay. Right. So we start with our session today. We're going to do economics. So when I say economics, what do you understand by economics?
Money.
Okay, fantastic. Money. Yes,
Studies.
others? Studies. Okay. Study about what, Amina? What do you think economics would be?
Different
Study about business.
Okay, fantastic. Yes, a bit more in details. Mozam Mutapir, Ahmad, see, there are no wrong answers. You know, maybe I'll get some answers from you all. Yes, Ahmad?
The study of human behavior involving money.
Okay, study of human behavior involving money. Anybody else?
Managing money.
Managing money. Wow, you know, you all are like all, millionaires and billionaires already. Humaira. Okay, we lost Abdullah Saqib. Yes, Humaira.
Ma'am, first I was not able to hear you. Can you repeat what you just said?
What do you mean by economics? When I say economics, what comes to your mind? See,
To know
economics.
more about the company.
Okay, to know it's nothing. Economics is not something like, people have that, think about economics. Oh my God, it's so tough and it's so dry and it's so boring. No, it isn't. It isn't. Economics, I love economics, by the way. Let me tell you that. It's just a social science. Social, that means it involves people concerned with the production, the distribution, and the consumption of your goods and services. So it's basically related to your business, okay, and also how the government, okay, and then the different businesses and the nations, the countries all over influence them. So that is what your economics is all about.
Yes.
Okay, so there's nothing you have to worry so much, like, when they say economics and you're like, oh my God, it's only for people who are very brainy and intelligent, right? So it's just for everybody. You need not worry. Okay, I'll start my slideshow. Yeah. Okay.
Shabana ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Y'all can see my screen now.
No ma'am,
It
It
just
seemed
that
that
Shabana ma'am has started
that is
screen
screen sharing.
ma'am, your video is also paused.
Yeah.
Are you logged in?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see my screen now? I'll just
No
share it
ma'am.
again. Sorry. Yeah, I just changed. Okay, I'll just do it right now.
You made it the host?
Right. I think now you can see
I
it
made it.
clearly.
Yes,
Everybody?
ma'am.
What's our video pause away?
Fantastic. Okay. Now I just want you all to tell me, what do you see in this picture?
A girl holding a mobile and
A shopping,
Yeah.
shopping carts.
Shopping cart.
and-
Yes.
ma'am, a girl doing online, like she's like searching online on her mobile.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Shopping online.
Others. We give everybody a chance to appear. What do you think? There's some common factor out here.
They
Shopping.
all are
But
shopping.
he's taking too many things.
Okay.
The only
They are
common
shopping.
thing is that they're shopping.
Shopping in stores and online also.
Oh, fantastic, Humaira. They're all shopping on the stores and they have that online thing also. Fantastic. Okay. Farhana, are you there or have we lost you to the internet? Okay, I think we've lost her. All right. Okay. So here, everybody is shopping. Everybody is buying goods, buying commodities, right? I would say that. Are you all agreeing with me on that matter? Mozam Mudabbir, am I going right?
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, so when I'm shopping for a good, okay, there are a few things I will definitely consider. Okay, now before I go into that, tell me, what do you mean by demand? Anybody? What do you
Wanting
mean
something.
of wanting something, right? Fantastic. Anybody else?
Wishes.
Sorry?
Wishes.
Wishes? Yes. Okay, fantastic. Okay, okay,
Needs and wants.
okay. Anybody else? Okay, anybody else?
Um,
What do you mean by demands? Yes.
What people need and want.
Okay, the people need and want, but we saw the difference between needs and want already. Okay, right? We saw the difference between the need and want. Okay, okay. We don't have Abdullah logged in, right? Any reason? Do we? I'll just check with him. Why isn't he? Till that time, you just tell me, what do you mean by demand?
Ma'am, demand, it means that when something you want, like you're forcing others that I want this means I want this. Because
Okay, okay,
you're
okay.
demanding that I want this.
Okay, now that is a regular demand that is there. But what in relation to economics? Remember, I
Wants.
said economics is everything related to the distribution, the production,
Ma'am, wants.
and Watch. Okay. The distribution and all regarding the goods, right? So what would the demand be regarding economics? Tell me.
Demand would be how much stuff people want.
Exactly how much a good or a commodity the people want. Okay, so now for example, when we had a pandemic, okay, the demand for the laptops and the tabs went up, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, because more people were buying tabs and laptops, right? They needed it for online sessions for their schools and all. So that was your demand. Now tell me, what the demand related to a good, when does the demand get affected for a good? You know, you have a demand of a good, you need some good, you want some good, okay, people are buying those goods. How do you think, what are the factors that affect the demand? What do you think?
Factors means?
Factors, yeah, that means what are the things that would affect the demand? What do you think?
The current situation.
Fantastic, the current situation, exactly, Mutappir. What else? Muneeb, may I have your video on, please? Like I said, the pandemic, okay, we had a, okay, so
Ma'am, I am adjusting my headset, so I am for some time.
Yes, Amina, Ahmed, Mozam Mutappir. Come on.
Ma'am, what demand means to the virus, to the pandemic?
No, demand, what are the things that affect the demand? Okay, like I said, I just gave you an example. Demand is like, you know, how much a commodity the people buy, like what Ahmed has said. Okay, we'll go more in details about that. Like, for example, in pandemic, the demand for laptops and tabs went high. Okay, why? Because
Technology
people were
devices.
buying,
And ma'am, it
buying them
also
more.
went up for food.
Or for food also. Why? Because there was
Grocery.
scarcity, right? So
Ma'am,
what do
the
you think?
demand went high for the stationaries also, because
Yes,
in
yes, yes.
pandemic the glues are very less, so the things which are very less in the pandemic, the people demand more for it.
Fantastic. But tell me, what are the things that affect the demand? What are the things
Technology
that actually
devices,
make the demand go more, or
stationery,
demand of a, may I finish my question, please? What are the things, you know, that would make a demand go more higher of a product or a good, or a demand go low,
Ma'am,
down?
money.
Money,
The
very good,
situation.
Amina. Fantastic. Could you be a bit more about money? Can you just specify more? Fantastic. That is one of the major factors.
Jobs.
Ahmed, I'll come to you. Yes, definitely. So, like for example, if the money is more, if the price is more, right? The demand,
Yes.
Amina, right?
Yes.
The demand for the good would be less. Right. Fantastic, Amina. That is one of the major factors. Yes, Ahmed.
The situation.
Okay, the situation, like for example, we had pandemic. Fantastic. So the pandemic was what affected the demand. Saklin, what do you think? Humaira, Farhana. Farhana, why isn't your video on? Are you having a problem with internet? You can use some hotspot from the phone then, if there's a problem with your Wi-Fi. Okay, she's in the other room, so even she can't hear me also. Okay, Saklin, what do you think? What are the other things that would affect the demand? One is price, one is situation. What else do you think should affect the demand of a good? Come on, guys, think about it.
Ma'am,
Think.
jobs.
Jobs. So with jobs, fantastic. Amina, I like the way you think. I think you have that economics in you only. Jobs, that means your income. So if your income is high, obviously you'll be able to buy more things, right? So automatically the demand will go high of the goods. But if your income is low, automatically you will not buy more things. So the demand for the goods will go down. Brilliant. What other things you think? Come on, Mozim, Mutabbir, Muneeb, Safiya, go on. What do
And
you think?
the locality where it is being sold.
Exactly. Even the locality, you know, it depends on where it is, the exposure it is getting. Okay, right? Okay. You know what? I'll make it.
then the
You
city,
yes, the city. Yes, Safiya, the place where it is there.
because when it's too far, the people will demand that we can't go out for this, so we need to go
Right.
out only in this place it gets. So they had demand for the city, that we need close by things.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, you know, now I'll just say the economists have come up with only 3 factors. Okay, what all you said was correct, was absolutely correct. But the economics have come up with 3 factors, okay, that affect the demand, the price of the goods. Okay, so if the, like what Amina said, if the price of the good is high, the demand will go down. Remember, it is not directly proportionate. It is inversely proportionate. That means if the price of the goods is more, it's higher, then the demand will be low. Okay. Then the other thing is the quantity of the good purchased. Okay. So if you're going to buy bulk, lots, right? So automatically the demand will be more, right? And finally is your time bound, okay, that at particular time. So these 3 factors are what affect your demand, okay. And this is the definition that is given by the economist for your, okay, I have somebody, yes. More than quantity, it's quality. Yes, quality is also a part of its claim, but the economists have given the quantity. So basically, your demand is nothing but demand for a good, that any particular good, any particular commodity is the quantity, that how much number of the good you purchased at a given price and at a given time. So you understood what demand is all about. It's only about the quantity you've purchased at the given price at that particular given time. Okay, because the price will again vary, maybe your quantities will vary. So this is what the definition.
And
that
we need
the economist
quantity also and quality also.
Yes,
Because
you need
even
the
if you have many much quantity, the quality should be good. Like a rice, so if the people want very thick rice, and the rice you buy in good quantity, but it's very like soft one, so
Okay.
it goes waste then.
So,
So you need
so
to
tell me
see
one
which
thing.
good
Yes,
quality.
I agree, Safiya. But tell me one thing. We all know that Chinese products from China are not great in quality. But then also there is a demand for them. Why? Because, right, the price of their products is lower and people buy them in large quantities. So again, the demand is high. Am I right or no? Yeah, the product, Chinese product. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. When you know what demand is, okay, you got an idea what demand is all about of a particular
Yes.
good. Any confusion? Yes, Humaira, Ahmad, Mazam Mutabbir. Any confusion? I rather you take snapshots, you take a print screen, whatever you note it down, because these are the few things you will have to remember, and you will have to remember by definition. In economics, I cannot write the definition in my own words. So this is the definition of your demand, and I rather that you remember it. Okay. Now, why am I doing demand with you? Tell me. Why do you think? I mean, we are into business studies, so why I'm doing economics demand with you?
Ma'am, because for business also people demand things.
Exactly. Because then only you will come to know, when you know what the demand of your product is. Yes? Yes, Humaira? Is somebody with you who did the unmuting? It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Only when you know how much the demand is there for your product, what pricing you can put for them, and at what particular time those prices were, then only you can grow in your business. Okay. Now see, basically when you have a demand, so demand will be only 2 types. One is individual demand, that is as a person, my demand, or as a Munib, Safiya, Amina, you people, what your demand is, and a common demand, that is a market demand. So you have just 2 basic types of demands, your individual demand and your,
Ma'am,
yes,
I have a question.
yes, Safiya.
In these like packet when gems comes, the ma'am, they take for 20 rupees, but they only give 5 to 10 gems inside it.
Yeah.
So we need a good like quantity also. If you are taking like more money, you need to give more. At least 20 chips should be there in one packet.
Yeah, there
Why
should
they
be.
take so much and they give so less quantity? And in chips Lay's packet, you see, when they only fill the half packet and they
Oh.
take 20-30 rupees inside.
Oh, okay. Now they have to fill half. There's a reason for it. And you know, this why they are not giving you 20 gems and 20 packets will do when we do cost and revenue. Okay. You'll come to know then how they plan their costing and what their revenue would be. So that is the reason they would be going about this way. Okay. Now, when I say about individual demand, what do you think is individual demand? Like I said, it's individual. Whatever demands Amina has, whatever Farhana has, whatever Safiya
One
has,
person's demand.
one
It's
person's
not a
demand.
whole team's demand or
It's
something
not the
like that.
whole team demand. Fantastic, Amina. It's not the entire team demand. So what do
This
you think?
demand will go in sole proprietorship, no? Business sole proprietorship demand.
No. This is demand for everybody. Even if it's a partnership, okay? So if your father, Israr Bhai, he wants something, maybe Dawood Bhai would want something else. So again, though they are working together, but they are different. Individual, that means one person, their own demand, their own what their demand for a good is. Okay. Now, what do you think would be the factors influencing individual demand? Like Amina, Humaira, Mazam Mudabbir, when y'all want to buy something, what are the factors that would influence your demand for good? What will you think before buying? Tell me.
How the quality is.
How the quality is,
Pricing.
pricing, okay. What
How much
else?
quantity?
Is it value for money?
Is it value for money? So
Is
again,
it value for money?
yes, fantastic, Farhana. Is it value for money? What about you, Mosim
Is it
Mudabbir?
portable?
Is it
Is it
portable?
valuable in a house? Like if
Is it
you have
valuable in your house? Okay.
the
Do we
house
need it?
are more fun, right?
Do you need it? Okay, so need and want. There are many things we don't need, but we want it and we buy it, right?
Yes.
We do that,
Yes.
right? Nike shoes. Who was my Nike shoes? Yeah, right? So you don't need, but you wanted it, right? So no worries.
I
That's
don't
okay.
want it.
Okay, what about you, Humaira? Yes, guys, come on, Mausam Mudabbir. Ahmad, yes, tell me. Ahmad. Ahmad, are you there?
Company is
Yes.
Yes, Mausam, go on. I'm listening.
which
I'm
company
listening. Go on.
is of? Which company it is of?
Okay, which company? That means the brand, basically. Right? Anything else? Anybody else? Come on, what are the factors that will influence you when you want to buy something? What will you think about? Like, of course, your quality,
How
you
much
said
money?
price. Okay, the
Price.
price. What else do you think will affect it? Come on.
Time.
Time. Okay.
You know why?
Why?
Because ma'am, time na. If you don't have time, then you won't be interested in buying it. You need to have that much time to buy it. Like some people, they wrap it and then they'll give you. And if you don't have that much time, then you leave it. That's why.
Okay.
Time is
Ahmad,
important because you need to have that much space. You can't spend the whole day buying something.
that was rude. Okay. You were teasing Rushda. I saw that. Okay. Yeah, you don't
Me?
do that to Rushda. Okay, so Safiya, yes, time and everything. Okay, now again, we have four main, like, categories which are concerned when individual buys. Okay, and first of them is the price of the commodity. So whenever a person goes to buy something, they consider what is the price of the commodity. Okay, so depending on that, whether it fits your budget, it doesn't fit your budget, whether you think it's value for money, whether you think it has a value to your house, to yourself, accordingly, you will buy it. Okay. Secondly is price of the related goods. What do you mean by price of related goods? Come on. What do you think price of related goods? Humaira? Sakleen? Related goods, price of related goods.
the price of the good similar to the good you are looking for?
Exactly. Fantastic, Mudaffar. But I need an example. Exactly. Similar goods, you know, like maybe related to it, right? It could be similar also, but it could be in relation to it also. See, I'm giving you a hint. Related. Like
Amazon.
with this, you need this. Or maybe this or this. So it could be like, you know,
Ma'am,
and
water
also,
and a glass.
fantastic, Safiya. Water and a glass. Brilliant, brilliant. Work on this relation. She's given a perfect example. Work more on this relation. And you'll
Shoes
get
and
an
a soul.
shoes and a sole. Okay, maybe shoe and a shoelace, you could say.
Man, not
What
all
else?
A
together.
phone and a cover.
Exactly, Farhan. A phone and a cover. Okay. So it also depends on what is the price of your related goods,
A
right? You know, so
TV
that
and a
means,
charger.
yes. Okay. Now we freeze, we pounce on it. You all have given me very good examples, like maybe car and petrol.
Yes.
Okay. Or
And we can
as
use
soon
diesel also.
as soon as or a diesel. If this the price of the petrol and diesel keeps on going really high, do you think the demand for the cars will go higher? Do you think that?
Nope.
Yes, Ahmad, what do you say?
People
Will it
won't
go
buy it.
higher? It won't. Yes,
No.
Sakleen, what do you think? No, Sakleen is saying a no. Okay, Sakleen is chatting with me, so I'll keep my chat window on. Okay, he says no. Right.
I also
So,
know.
yeah, okay. So everybody says a no, right? So what happens, like when there is a complementary good, that means with this good, you need this particular one. Okay, so like I said, with car, it's petrol, like phone with cover. So if the complementary, the related good price goes higher, automatically the demand for the main good goes low. Okay, then you have something like a substitute. Okay, and what would that substitute be? Like tea and coffee. Okay, so in case the prices of tea go higher, people will
We
do
will
what?
have a coffee.
Yeah, let me buy coffee. So automatically, this is how the individual demand works. Are you all getting it? Any confusion regarding it?
No, ma'am.
Amina, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when the price of related goods are affected, my individual demand also gets affected. Okay, like I said, if I'm going to buy, even suppose I'm going to go and buy ghee, okay, or butter for that matter, okay, and if I see that, you know, that salted butter, unsalted butter is lesser, then obviously I'll do one thing. I will not buy the salted Amul butter. I will go for unsalted butter. Why?
Laptop
Because
and a computer.
I'm saving money on that, right? So these are the things which are going to affect your individual demands. Okay. What
A
is the
laptop and a computer.
yes,
If a
laptop and
laptop
a
goes high,
computer. Your income. Obviously, if your income is higher, you'll be having more, yes, demand, like what Amina had said earlier. Okay. And if your income is lower, then it will be lower. And finally, is your taste and preferences. Like everything which you said, what is in fashion, and whatever your preferences are, like somebody prefers Nike to Adidas, or whatever you like, your dislike, that all comes in your individual demand. Okay, do you get it?
yes, ma'am.
Any confusion about this?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No.
now you know what? Okay, we're going to do.
And you explained so good that how will we have confusion?
No, you guys are brilliant actually. That's the reason there is no confusion. Otherwise, there would be. Okay. So now I'll just do one thing. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll share my screen again. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do now what is the law of demand. See, in economics, you have many laws and theories. Okay. So we're going to do today what is the law of demand. Okay. Now the law of demand is very simple. What does the law of demand say? That whenever the prices of the goods go high, okay, the quantities purchased go down. It's simple as that. The law of demand says is that whenever the prices of a good goes high, the quantity goes down. And this is how we represent it in a graph form. So we're going to just do it in a graph. We'll draw a graph out here. Okay. Right. I'm having my x-axis out here.
X.
Yeah, that's my x, and I need to change the color. Okay, that's my x-axis. Okay, now the x-axis will be nothing but my quantity of good. Okay, I'll just and I'll have my y-axis as well. Okay. Oh my goodness, that went oopsie. Okay, I'll just do it again. Okay, now this is my y-axis. All
I
right.
can't see the color.
Yeah, I'm changing it. Now you can see it? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I need a text box.
Ma'am, both the colors are the same.
Yeah, it's all right. I hope it's all right, right?
Yes.
So this would be my quantity.
Q is quantity and Y is quality. I guess.
Okay, so this is my quantity.
Huh?
And this would be my price. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So when the price is high, okay, so supposingly if my price over here is on the higher side, okay,
Hmm.
can you see that color or should I change it to, okay, yellow? Yeah. So when my price is high, right, on my y-axis, so the quantity purchased would be definitely
Less.
lesser. Okay, so supposingly then my quantity purchased would be lesser. So how will I denote that? I will denote that over here.
Now you make a bar graph and then
Yeah,
you can make a bar graph like
I can make a bar graph as well. Okay,
yeah.
right. So when my, if you can see on my y-axis, when my price was higher, my quantity purchased on the x-axis is lower. But when the price goes down, here I am. When my
A little
price,
bit more down.
you want a little bit more down? Okay, I
Yeah.
like that, Safiya.
People
There.
won't buy that much high. It's
Okay.
only this much only people.
So when my price is going down, okay, when my price is going down, okay, what will happen automatically? The quantity, okay, let me just draw a graph out here, okay, a line out here. No, I'm not. I wanted a bit this side. I want it here. Actually, I don't want a graph. I just want a point out here, you know, so I'll do it. Just give me a minute. I'll do it. I don't want a graph. I just want a point out here. Yeah. This would be the common point between my price and my quantity. Yeah. When the price is high and the quantity is lesser. Okay. Now, the other thing is the price is over here. So the quantity I purchase will be okay. I'll just change that. Right. So you have 4 different points out here. You have your points A, B, C, and D. Okay. So when I'm going to draw now and connect this graph, what do you think? How will the slope be? Tell me. What do you think the slope will be? It will be, you know, an upward curve or a downward curve? Tell me.
Downward.
Okay, I'll just draw the points out here so you get a better idea. Yes, Ahmad? Okay, no. Can we just have a full dot out there? That would be better. You know, rather than having a... Okay, maybe we can just use this. I've got something, don't worry. Oh, fantastic, okay? Right. So when your price is high, it is over here, right? Now, if I'm going to draw a curve, right? If I'm going to draw a curve, okay, so how will my curve go when it's touching both the points? Okay, it's going. There we go. You see that? What has happened? It's the slope which is there, it is downward.
Yes.
Okay. And I can draw a line out here also for you to understand it better, that what happens when the price is high and the quantity. Okay. I'm sorry, we're going a bit time. Okay. Can you see that? When the price is high, my quantity is low. And when my price is Ahmed, could you move your point to the connection, please, out there, Ahmed? No, not here. Over here, over here. And this one over here, I'll just draw the straight line out there, Ahmed. Thank you. There you go. Okay. So now, do you see your slope? It's going down.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what your law of demand is, right? That when your price is high, okay, yes, Sophia, thank you. Right, when the price is high, okay, if you can see out here, your quantity will go low, and when your price is low, so your quantity will increase. This is known as your law of demand, okay, wherein price and quantity are inversely proportional. And this is what, if it comes in exams, in your assessment, if not now, in future also, this particular law, this diagram is what you have to do. Any confusion regarding this? Tell me. Any kind of confusion regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Y'all have understood the law of demand? Mazim Mudabir Farhana, Taqleen, Humaira, Amina. Understood everybody? Amina? Okay. Mazim Mudabir, any confusion? All right. So we go ahead. Okay. Okay. Now, I said there was an individual demand that was only, we have just 5 minutes and this will not take more than 5 minutes and we are done for the day. Individual demand was wherein as a person, as one individual, what is my market demand? What are my demands for commodity, for the goods? Now, when I say market demand, that means the entire people, the group of people buying that particular thing. Maybe they are related, they are not related, they are from different countries, they are from different origin, whatever. They buy that commodity, that good, that would be market demand. Like for example, you all decide to buy what? iPad? If you all decide to buy iPad together, so will that be market demand or individual demand? It will be both individual also and market also. Why? Because It's like a combination of individual demands. When you combine individual demands, when you add them up, what will happen? It will come to your market demand. So what will be the factors affecting market demand? Anybody? What do you think will be the factors affecting market demand? We did individual demand. What will be the factors affecting market demand? Yes, go on.
And everyone wants the same thing.
Price, yes, fantastic. Okay. Saklen is saying price. What else? Think about it. Think. Come on, guys. You're not paying attention, or maybe you're
The
not
reviews,
Yes, Farhana.
because if one person will like, if some people do not give a nice review, then the people will think of buying that or not.
Yes. So what would that be like the number of buyers? The market demand of a product will depend on the number of buyers. Because if more people will buy that product, the market
Yes.
demand will go high. If less people will buy the product, the market demand will go.
I have a different one.
Munib, could you have your video on, please?
Ma'am, it will also
Munib,
depend upon how the product
Madam?
is made.
Yes, review of the consumers. Well, you know what? You all are correct. But when it comes to economics, like there are some rules which they follow, the laws they follow. First thing is the number of buyers. Ahmad, I hope you're all right. I thought you went to the washroom to throw up. You're doing good, Ahmad? Or was economics so much that you couldn't digest it and you needed to throw up? Okay. Number of buyers. Secondly would be the distribution, of income and wealth. Again, like I said, if there is more people in that area have more income, then definitely the market demand of that good in that area would be much.
Shabana ma'am, it could be also that many companies, they're selling the same product. So this company, if it doesn't give good products, the people can go to the other company. It could be like that also.
Definitely. And thirdly is the climatic condition. Okay, like we talked about pandemic. Like for example, in monsoon, what happens? You have a surge in the demand, market demand for your raincoats and your umbrellas. So these are the things which are influencing your market demand. Okay. So can we do a recap of what we did today? I would just want 1 point from everybody and then we can wind up, please. Yes, Akleen, party time. Yes, who would like to start first? Can we do a recap of what we did? Yes, Muni, good morning, please. What did we do today?
Good morning.
Anybody? Can we just do a recap right from the beginning?
Ma'am, we learned about market demand.
Okay.
We learned about how to.
And we learned about individual and the market, like your own demand.
Okay. And what is about demand? What did you do? We learned about? Yes, Amina. What were you saying?
Ma'am, we learned about strategies of a product.
Okay. Yes, Munir.
We learned about economics.
Yes, Humaira. Abdullah, where were you all the time? Please put your video on. Okay, you were not able to join. All right. Okay, don't worry. I wasn't going to put you in a waiting room. Yeah. Okay. What else did we learn?
Ma'am.
Factors affecting demand.
Yes, Mudabir, sorry.
Factors affecting demand.
Factors affecting demand. Okay. And Ahmad?
Prices.
Ahmad is trying to figure out. He learned how to help me putting dots in correct places, right? Yes, Safiya, Sakleen, put in something, Humaira. Go on. What did you learn today?
Needs and wants of people.
Needs and wants, okay. Umaira, what about you? You switched off your camera and went off to sleep, right? Taklane, you can put it in chat.
And we learned about economics, individual demand, and that
Okay. So
market
basically, you
demand.
learned about
The
Abdullah,
demand
you
of the people.
can email it to me personally. That's all right. Okay. Now, what you can do is when we did demand, first thing is we understood what's needs and what are wants, the two different things. Then we learned about the
Money.
demand of a good. You know, what is the demand for a particular good and the factors affecting the demand of a good. The first was the price, right? The second is the quantity, and the third is the time bound. Okay. Then we saw the two types of demands. You have individual demand, that as a person, what I'm buying, and what are the factors affecting it. And I saw market demand. That means the total group of people buying. So that would be your market, the aggregate, the sum, the total, that would be my market demand. Okay. And I saw the law of demand, the graph which I drew. And I'm going to give you an assignment for this on your Google Classroom, and everybody is going to submit it. So that's it for me for now. See you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself. Bye, everybody. Any confusion, you all can WhatsApp me. Any confusion, you can ask me in Google Classroom.
Ma'am,
All right, then see you. Bye-bye.
ma'am,
Yes, Abdullah?
I'm not being able to attach the PPT on Google Classroom.
Yeah, you can personally email it to me. Okay? I'll share my email address with
Okay.
you.
Ma'am,
Okay.
with me also.
Okay,
I
I'll
don't
do
have
that.
your email address.
Okay, I'll do that. All right, then. Bye.
Yeah. Please and we end meeting for